Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we are going to do a topic exponents and powers. Okay, so first of all, what is exponent and what is power? You have read the numbers like 5 raised to the power 10 like this, right? Means a number and its power, right? So here this 5 is the base. This 5 will be called as base and this 10 is the power of it, right? So this is the base, 5 is the base and 5 raised to the power 10, so 10 is the power here, okay? So here are certain laws of exponents which you need to remember to solve the questions, okay? So here the first one law is a raised to the power m multiply a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m plus n. What does this mean? Here the bases are same as a and a means as a is representing the base here, it means bases are same, but here the power is m and here the power is n. It means powers are different. So when bases are same, powers are different and these are in multiplication. So what we have to do, we will write down the base a and then the powers will be added. Okay, so here the power was m plus here the power is n. So a raised to the power m plus n. So this is the first law. How you will apply it? As you can check, 2 raised to the power 3 multiply 2 raised to the power 2 is given to you. So you will not do it like, first of all you will find out 2 raised to the power 3, it will be 8, then 2 raised to the power 2, 4, then you will multiply. No. You can directly write it down using this law as the bases are same, 2 and 2. Powers are different, one is 3, one is 2. So as they are in multiplication, so you will add the powers. So 2 and 2 bases are same, we will write down 2, and as the powers are 3 and 2, so we will write down 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 power will be 5. So it will become 2 raised to the power 5. Like this you can apply it. If there are 3 numbers, suppose into 2 raised to the power 5 is also given. So you will add 5 also in this and you will get the answer as 2 raised to the power 10. Clear? Now we will see the second law. It is about division. Same bases are same. A. Powers are different. Here it is m, here it is n. But in the case of division, you will subtract the powers. Okay? So here a and then raised to the power m minus n you will write down. How you will apply it? See, bases are same, 5 and 5. Powers are different. Here it is 5, here it is 3. Right? And as they are in division, so you will subtract the powers. So 5 raised to the power 5 minus 3. And 5 minus 3 will become 2. So we will get the answer as 5 raised to the power 2 or 5 square. Now the third one is a raised to the power m and then raised to the power n. Means if power raised to the power is given to you, right? So in this case you will multiply both the powers. You will multiply. So as here it is given 7 raised to the power 2 and then raised to the power 3. So 7 raised to the power 2 multiply 3 you will write down and 2 3s is 6. So you will get the answer as 7 raised to the power 6. Okay. Now up to now we were talking about when the bases were same but powers are different, right? Now we will talk when bases are different. As you can check, here the base is a and here the base is b, but the powers are same m and m. Okay, so in this case what you will do, as these are in multiplication, so you will multiply the bases and power will be written only one time. So it will become a multiply b raised to the power m. How you will apply it? As you can check, 3 raised to the power 7 multiply 2 raised to the power 7. In both the cases power is same but the bases are different. So you will multiply these two bases, so it will be 3 multiply 2. And as the power is 7, so you will write down raised to the power 7. So 3 2s will become 6 and raised to the power 7. So we will get the answer as 6 raised to the power 7. Now in the case of division, you will divide the bases which are different and power will remain same as both are having power m. So here also we will write down m. So here as you can check, 4 raised to the power 3 divided by 3 raised to the power 3. Bases are different but powers are same. As they are in division, so you will divide the bases 4 divided by 3 and you will write down the power as 3. So it will be equals to 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 3, and as it is in the case of division, so you can write it down in the form of fraction also. So it will be 4 by 3 and whole raised to the power 3. Like this means in this form also you can write it down. So this was the case when the bases were different but powers were same, right? Now one more law is there. When any number raised to the power 0 is there, so it will always be equals to 1. Whatever the number is, whether it is a smaller number, a very greater number, any negative number, positive number, okay? But if there is power 0, so you will not check that what is the number. If the power is 0, you will write down 1. Okay, whatever the number is, if the power is 0, we will write it down as equals to 1. That's why here I have written a raised to the power 0 equals to 1. Base can be any number. If the power is 0, we will write down 1. Now the last one thing is, students, if negative number is given to you and if the power is in even numbers, right? If negative number is given to you and power is even, then the answer will be positive, right? How? You must know this thing that when in multiplication negative sign is in even numbers, then answer becomes positive, right? And the other case, -1 and then the odd number is given to you, right? So when any odd number is given, so it will remain in negative. Answer will be negative, right? So you can check here, -1 is here and even number. I have written here the power 200. 200 is even number, right? So it will give you positive answer. Okay? And as odd number will give, if the power is odd number, it will give negative answer. So as here it is it is in odd number, so our answer will be in negative. So these are the laws of exponents, students, which you need to learn to do this chapter. Okay? Hope you understand this chapter. Like, share and subscribe the video. Bye, students.